Weather-related events. Severe weather can strike with little or no warning. Take these steps to protect yourself and family in severe weather. Flooding. Before a flood. Know the elevation of your property in relation to floodplains, streams, and other waterways. Determine if your property may be flooded. Plan what to do and where to go in case of a flood. Prepare a family emergency supplies kit. 72-hour kit. Fill your car with gas in case you have to evacuate. Move furniture and essential items to higher elevation if time permits. Have a portable radio and flashlights with extra batteries. Open basement windows to equalize water pressure on foundations and walls. Secure your home. Consider flood and earthquake insurance. Evacuation. Listen to local radio or TV for weather information. If asked to evacuate, shut off main power switch, main gas valve, and water valve. Follow local evacuation plan and routes. Do not attempt to drive over a flooded road. It may be washed out. While on the road, watch for possible flooding of bridges, dips, and low areas. Watch out for damaged roads, slides, and fallen wires. Drive slowly in water. Use low gear. Abandon your vehicle immediately if it stalls and seek higher ground. Do not attempt to cross a stream on foot where water is above your knees. Register at your designated evacuation center and remain there until informed you may leave. After a flood. Remain away from evacuated area until public health officials and building inspector have given approval. Check for structural damage before entering. Make sure electricity is off. Watch for electrical wires. Do not use open flame as a light source because of the possibility of escaping gas. Use flashlights. Beware of dangerous sparks. Do not use food contaminated by flood water. Test drinking water for suitability with test kits. Avoid walking in flood water. Do not let children play in flood water.